In today's video, I'm going to teach you learn how to customize a standard report in QuickBooks Online. If you want your reports to show exactly the information you care about, nothing more and nothing less, this quick walkthrough will help you get there without any guesswork. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and heading to the left navigation menu. Look for Reports and Analytics and click it. This takes you to the main reporting hub, where you'll find everything from financial statements to sales, expenses, and more. Next, choose Standard Reports. This section contains all the built-in reports that come with your QuickBooks subscription, organized by category. It's the best place to start when you want a reliable, out-of-the-box report that you can tweak to fit your needs. Now, find the report you want to customize. You can scroll through the categories or use the search bar at the top to type a keyword like profit and loss, balance sheet, or sales by product service. If you're not seeing the report you expect, double-check that you're in the Standard tab and that your current view isn't filtered. Also, remember that certain reports may vary depending on your subscription level. Once you've located your report, move your cursor to its row and look for the three-dot menu on the right side. Click the three-dot menu. This is a shortcut to quick actions for that report and is the easiest way to access customization options without opening the report first. From that menu, click Customize. This opens a panel or window where you can tailor the report to your workflow. Here's where the real power lives. You can adjust the report period to focus on a specific month, quarter, or year, or compare periods side by side. You can switch between cash and accrual if your accounting method requires it. You can show or hide columns, group rows by customer, vendor, or product, and filter down to specific accounts, classes, locations, or transaction types. It's also helpful to update the header and footer to make the report clearer for your team, adding a custom title or note so anyone reading it understands the context. As you make changes, keep your goal in mind. A report that answers one question clearly. If the report looks cluttered, simplify your filters or remove columns you don't need. And if a number seems off, remember that customization changes the layout and filters, not your underlying data, so you can safely adjust and refine. That's how to customize a standard report in QuickBooks Online.